welcome to a new episode of Twist the Truth. Did you know Australia once declared war on birds? Yep. In 1932, farmers were losing crops to 20,000 emus, giant flightless birds that were eating everything. The government sent soldiers armed with machine guns to take them down. The result? Total disaster. The emus outsmarted the soldiers, dodged bullets, and even destroyed equipment. After weeks of fighting, Australia gave up. Final score, emus, 1, humans, 0. So, next time you think humans are top of the food chain, remember, we once lost a war to birds. Follow for more wild history facts.